guys, I didn't think I was going to be doing an update video this soon, but as you can see by the title of the video, and if you check the About page, that we have reached 2,000 subscribers, which I really appreciate. I did not think I was going to make it this far this quickly. I know this is small peanuts for most of the channels out there, but it's exciting for me. So I appreciate you guys subscribing and coming along for the ride. So once again, we will be doing a giveaway. This time I'm going to be doing a download code for the Blu-ray of Rush. If you haven't seen it, or if you don't know what that is, it is a 2013 movie by Ron Howard. It stars Chris Hemsworth and Daniel Bruhl, and they are playing James Hunt and Niki Lauda during the late 70s in Formula One. It's a really great movie. If you like cars, I promise you'll enjoy it, even if you've never heard of it, or even if you don't watch Formula One. It's a really, really good movie, and so I will be sending a download code to whoever wins. Similar to last time, you gotta do 5 things. Subscribe to the channel, which you probably already did. Comment your Instagram username below. Follow me on Instagram. Like my page on Facebook. And like the video. You do those 5 things, you will be entered, and I will draw a winner in 1 month from when this video goes up. So give you guys some time to watch it and catch up for those who aren't able to watch this video right away. If you do comment your Instagram username below, I will follow you back, so that's kind of nice. And then just a few channel updates. For those of you who don't know, I started graduate school back in May. So by the time you guys see this video, I will be all the way done with my first semester, and I will be into my second semester. I am in PA school, which if you don't know what a PA is, it's very similar to a nurse practitioner. So I'll slot in right under a doctor. Not that any of that really matters to you guys. What will matter is once I'm out of school, we'll have some discretionary income so we can start putting more money into the Z. We can get some better daily drivers. We can get a few more cars, get a nicer car for my wife. So we do have a lot of great cars on the back side of school. But during school, the channel might slow down a little bit. Not that I'm going to stop producing videos. I have videos lined up, shot, and ready to go all the way through the end of 2020. So I have a 1.5 years worth of videos all lined up and ready to go. Some of them still need to be edited a little bit, but it's pretty much ready to go. But you'll notice as we go further along into school, it takes 2 years to get through school, so I'll be done in August of 2021. As we start to get into 2021 and the end of 2020, there will be more videos where it's just me talking at the camera and doing maybe some description of what's in my dream garage, of what are the future plans for the Z, what are the future plans for the Mini, what cars am I going to buy. Videos like that, not so much videos that include parts and DIYs and tutorials, just because I'm not going to be here with my car. I'm going to be in a different state, in an apartment. So there will still be a few things I'll be able to do while I'm there, but for the most part, I'm not going to have time or money to be putting parts on cars. So you'll still get videos, it'll just be a little bit different, but you'll get to know a little bit more about me and what's going on in the future of the channel, so at least there's that. Lastly, I wanted to give a shout out to a few of my sponsors, because I am sponsored by a few different places. One of them is High Revs Clothing. They provide all sorts of automotive themed shirts and things like that. It's really cool. They have keychains and a bunch of different little stickers and knickknacks and things, but their main thing is hats and shirts. So this is what their logo looks like. So I will have a link in the description to go to their website, and if you guys use my code, you will get a discount while you're there, so that's pretty cool. Secondly, ECS Tuning. They have provided some good parts for the Mini, so you'll see a couple different videos that have some ECS tuning parts on there. So please go support them. There are links in almost every single video that I do that is like a BMW or a Mini thing, because they offer that part. So whether it's a genuine part or an aftermarket part, they offer it. And if you guys shop there, it supports the channel, and then I can get more stuff coming in and produce more content for you guys. So please support ECS Tuning, because they have definitely supported me. And last but most certainly not least, I would love to thank Wheelwell. As you guys have seen on my car, I have a sticker on the front bumper, the rear window, the front window, because Wheelwell has been super instrumental in getting my car out there and giving me a platform to talk to some other people. I've met some great people through Wheelwell, including the High Revs Clothing guy. So it's been a wonderful resource for me. They provide me with a lot of parts at a very, very steep discount, and they will also provide them to you guys with a discount if you use my code at their store. They also offer sales and other discounts all the time. So if you get on there, get your car in there, you can meet people in the community, you can share your car. They have a huge selection of parts, and it's constantly evolving. They are constantly trying to make it better and asking for people's input and just trying to become the best central car community on the internet. So please go over there and check them out because they have been super helpful for me. Of course, if you guys have any questions about any of my sponsors or what's going on with the channel or what's changing or what I'm doing, feel free to email me. You can DM me on Instagram or Facebook. I love when you guys contact me directly. I think it's really cool that some of you guys are asking me questions from all around the world. I've talked to people from Germany and Jordan, and I've had people message me in languages I don't even know what it is, and I promise I try as hard as I can through Google Translate, but sometimes it just doesn't work the best. But that's awesome. So I've met people from all around the world. I love the fact that I'm helping some of you guys with your cars, or some of you guys are helping me back. So it's really, really cool. I appreciate everything that you guys have done, and I hope you appreciate the channel because it's really for you guys. I mean, I have a fun time doing it, but I like the fact that I'm helping people. So of course, as always, drop some comments below, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys next week.